This video is on the killing of Judge Mullins. Now, there are some sensitive subjects that are going to be covered in this. I want to give you fair warning in advance that what we're going to talk about is not pretty. It's not a good subject that you would say, oh, wow, look at this. Well, we're going to say, oh, wow, look at this, but we're going to look at it in a level fashion, and we're going to talk about the things that happened and then what is coming out now afterwards, the reasons why they happened. The, the judge and the Sheriff Mickey Stein, had a lunch meeting. This is all the things that are documented in the case. And during the lunch meeting, Sheriff Stein and Judge Mullins were talking, and the judge said, would you be more comfortable if we took this to my chambers? So they both went to his chambers. When they got to his chambers, this is where things get twisted. For some reason, the sheriff's phone was not dialing that day. And the sheriff was trying to get a hold of his teenage daughter. These are all facts. And the sheriff said to the judge, I'm trying to get a hold of my daughter and my phone won't seem to dial. Can I use your phone? He handed him his phone. The judge handed him his phone, said, sure. Here's where things get really fucked up. When the sheriff dialed his daughter's phone into the judge's, phone number into the judge's phone, her contact information and her picture was on the judge's phone. Now, I do not condone what happened next, but I can understand why he would think that this guy is messing with his daughter. Because why does a judge have a teenager's phone number, and especially the sheriff's daughter, on his phone? What I would have done, I would have asked him, why the hell do you have my daughter's number saved on your phone? And I would have called him a bunch of swear words. That's just me. But the sheriff drew his service pistol and shot him. The bizarre thing is when the sheriff went outside, the he turned himself in right away, and he told the deputy, treat me fair. They are trying to kidnap my wife and my daughter. Now, I've looked for proof of that. What I did find proof of is that it is well known in Letcher County that that judge's chambers was used by a deputy to our several women. One of them, he purposely lied to the court and had a warrant issued and had her put in jail. But those R sessions all happened in that judge's chambers. It is not yet known what will be found next. I call them cops the Keystone Cops, okay? They interviewed the sheriff's daughter. They did not take her phone. They should have taken her phone and get any information off of it before she has a chance to delete it. And they interviewed her in front of her mom. They did not interview her alone. Just just really bizarre. Bizarre. That's the best way to describe it. Bizarre. Now, Fletcher County is over by Pikeville, Kentucky. Pikeville, Kentucky is a well-known area. Many country singers have come from Pikeville. Patty Loveless was born and raised in Pikeville. So there's more coming out in the next few days. So I will have more for you in a few days. Talk to you soon. Bye.